Notion is the one tool that can run your entire business. Your content, your marketing, your website, your processes, everything for completely free. You might already know that, and you might be using Notion for your business. But this video is 6 features that you absolutely have to know if you're already running a business or you want to start one. I'm Gina, startup and tech expert. I have 20 years of building with founders and businesses at every stage, and this video is going to talk you through those exact features. If at any point during this video you are thinking, I kind of need this, I need to sort my systems, I really don't know where to start, regardless of what you use to run your business, there is a link in the description of this video to book a free diagnostic call with me. Okay, so let's get started. Feature 1. Actually, scratch that. Let me actually show you number 3 first, because I've been to a couple of events this week and I've met 2 founders who are spending about $100 a month on this exact functionality. And whilst I understand that's not thousands every 30 days, there is no need to pay for this at all. And it actually makes your business feel like it's light years ahead of where it is, cuts your admin time, and means you don't have to repeat yourself at all. So let's dive into feature number 3. Now, if you have clients, you'll want to set this up immediately with this video. You can actually use Notion as a completely free and super intuitive and brandable client portal. If your business is working with clients, or even if you're just working with other people in any kind of capacity, there is nothing more harrowing than receiving a quick message for an old document or a piece of information or a file that could be lost in WhatsApp, emails, different folders and tools because people communicate differently. You kind of have to pause whatever you're doing, take time out of your day to find the information or that previous work, and then send it to them. Now, I understand sometimes this is a 5-minute job, but sometimes this can take a stretch of your day, and it also makes you content switch. It makes you stop what you're doing, switch to something new, and that context switch in itself is something that founders have to avoid because it's more of a time sap than you actually think. Especially if you're building something on the side or you have a full-time job, switching your brain between modes is draining your energy and your time. So that is why you need to be using the sharing and access features in Notion to create a completely free client or external portal. And if you've watched any of my content before, and if not, do scroll through and subscribe, you will know that I am big on using Notion as the operating system for everything in your business. And it is because of functionalities like this exact one. By building your systems properly, and things like your CRM or your project management and your content machine and marketing, all things actually that if you want to grab right now, I've built as part of the Complete Business Blueprint, which is also in the description for this video. But by setting this up properly once with client tags and databases that have filters, you can add an additional 5 minutes onto your setup at the beginning of literally building your business or just right now to create a page that looks like this, with the databases and workflows you are already using restricted to things that are related to this exact client and only showing things that you approve to put in front of them. This sharing permission here means that you can add a client's email to just this page of your entire operating system. Now, this sharing feature is available on the free plan up to 10 people. And with this, not only have you got access to this page and you have an internal space for everything related to that client in one place, so you are never searching through anything, never changing tabs, but with the sharing, you also have a portal that they have access to. They can check in at any time and find anything that they need, which is hugely valuable for them as well, because they're also building a business. The only additional work you have to do, apart from this 5-minute setup, is add a drop-down and change it so it's referenced in this client page. There is hours of work saved on your side, and you get huge brownie points for collaboration, transparency, and ease for your clients and partners. This is such a great function in a digitally connected world that every business should have this, but most of the dedicated client portal platforms are charging literally like $50 to $100 a month for this exact use case. And I've tried a few of those platforms, and sometimes they just add more steps and more work, and they're not even close to being customizable. With Notion, you can add their brand logos, put headings in their colors, put a cover, make it really feel bespoke and slick. All of this is just value add direct to your clients. I love it. But it does mean you have to have everything set up properly to start off with, And if you want to do that, grab the resources on my website. Okay, now I've got that big number 3 value off my chest. Let's go back to the chronicle order of the other 5 features that every business should be using today if you want to be successful. So, back to feature 1. Every business needs a CRM. I do not care if you are a sole trader with 3 clients, a company with a full sales team, or just you making content. If you're not tracking your contacts, your deals, your pipeline, even just your conversations in one organized system, then you're not really building your business properly. And you probably don't think this is a problem now because you might be too small or you might not have any partners. But not having a CRM means you're not really even seeing what opportunities you're missing out on. And trust me, every business of any size will at some point need this. So setting it up properly at the beginning alongside your other systems is invaluable and saves you hours along the line. The problem with CRMs is that the tools built specifically for this, your Salesforce, your HubSpot, your Pipedrive, your Sage, they are genuinely expensive. Some of the businesses I work with that are on the bigger side of revenue are spending $5,000 to $8,000 a month on this software alone. But Notion can actually be your CRM from day one for free, and it doesn't actually compromise on those features that matters. Within Notion, you can track every contact, every deal, every stage, completely bespoke stages without knowing how to change the product. You can measure your probabilities, you can link it to your projects, your invoicing, your tasks, your communication, literally all in one place. The value with Notion is the relation to databases, so having a CRM built in Notion that links to everything you are doing is this living, connected system that grows as you grow. And again, why we build in Notion is because those workflows and processes are linked, so when you update something in your projects or your client delivery, it also updates it in your CRM, so you are never duplicating information and wasting time copying notes across from doing that work. Everything is literally built in one place, run in one place, removes duplication, saves you time, and is completely free, even with the free version of Notion. I've done a full dedicated video on building your own CRM system, and the CRM system is also part of the complete business blueprint. It's got the whole thing in there, and it's all related to other parts of the workflow, set up, completely ready to use from today. Feature 2. Notion forms. Now, every business that I've ever worked with has to collect information from people. There's no getting around it. Whether that's new client intake forms, onboarding details, project details, briefs, feedback, even RSVPing to an event. These are all different ways of bringing information in. And prior to finding out that Notion actually had this feature, I would pay for Typeform, mostly because it was customizable and it was a link that I could send out to anyone. And it wasn't a Google form, so I didn't have horrible, uncustomizable Google branding that makes everything look like a school project, just not very professional. I switched to Notion Forms made this whole process so much easier because even with Typeform, even with Google Forms, it's going into either a response on their product or a spreadsheet. Notion Forms materially changed the amount of time that I spent copying information across from that and making sure that I'd actually picked up the right data. Because Notion Forms are literally a database with an external view. It's native to the databases. So when you send out a form, you're actually sending out the ability to input direct into your databases. So that project brief, that information goes straight into your project board and your brief is already done. You don't take any information from anywhere. That entire process is completely cut out, and you know the data is right because it's from someone inputting it themselves direct into your processes. And this functionality is all for free. Granted, on the free plan, it's not hugely customizable. So if you want to take it a layer up and have custom branding and make it look really slick, you will need a paid for plan. But this functionality for free is incredible. Okay, so we did 3, then we did 1, then we did 2. So let's move on to feature number 4, that is a game changer for any business. The word automation is everywhere at the moment. And it actually makes a lot of founders kind of switch off, which I completely understand. The moment someone mentions automation or Make or Zapier, it starts to feel like a separate project, workflow, and skill set that requires like deep technical knowledge that you might not have and a budget that you might not want to spend yet. A lot of those things have a low barrier to entry cost, but then when you actually use them in your day-to-day, those costs skyrocket with usage. So a lot of people don't really tamper with automation. It doesn't happen, and you keep doing the exact same sequence of tasks manually every time a new client, a project, a day comes in just because you haven't set this up properly. And Notion actually has a feature built in that covers a big chunk of that automation without any of that overhead. It's on the free plan and it's unlimited use within that free plan. And it is the holy grail of properties, the button. You set up the button once with the exact sequence of things that you need to happen every time a specific thing occurs in your business. And from that point on, all you do is click the button and those things happen together. Creating projects, duplicating a template, updating status, so much. It's not the same as a full automation platform, and I am definitely not saying it replaces one, but this is fundamentally taking away hours and hours of admin. And for most of what small businesses actually need day to day, it is more than sufficient without adding another tool, another cost, another thing to learn. I have a whole video on this amazing feature of the button that goes much deeper into this, so go and watch that after this. In the Complete Business Blueprint, the button is already set up for you for all of the repetitive tasks that you genuinely need to save yourself hours every day, so do check that out as well. So feature number 5. There is a version of your business where you are not needed in every single process, where things happen correctly whether you are there or not. Where bringing someone in for however long a period of time doesn't mean spending weeks explaining how everything works from your head. When you are building your own business, especially if you are just starting out or you have a full-time job, the fear of taking a week away and everything falling apart is genuinely real. But what makes this fear go away is documented processes. It's genuinely always the boring work that actually builds the business properly. These are called standard operating procedures. And most of the reasons why small to medium-sized businesses don't have them is that creating them always feels like something that you can do another time or it's not urgent now. Your business is kind of running and it's better to focus on the things that make your business a success than take the time and effort and energy to sit and write everything out properly. But things will never calm down and you will never get that time. So you actually end up not doing it, which chains you to your business forever. Building your SOPs and documents in Notion is the best thing you can do right now. Every SOP you write can be linked directly to the database or workflow it belongs to, so that when someone is inside your project management and needs to know how to handle a step, the SOP is genuinely referenced right there, in the place they're already working on. They don't have to come and ask someone for where it is, try and find it. Every task or process that needs explaining in a way can have it within that database already. And with things like Notion AI, you actually don't have to sit and spend hours doing this. You can just let the system build it itself. And that is the most major spoiler alert for the 6th feature that every business should or could be using right now. So no surprises with feature 6. And this is where I have genuinely sat with founders who are paying separately for ChatGPT or Claude or a summarization tool and already are paying for the pro version of Notion and really wondered why they're not using something that has AI built directly into it. The reason that sometimes happens is honestly just good marketing. People think that using ChatGPT or Claude to create your content or write your blogs is really great, but actually it's kind of killing the humanity of the founder. AI is there to take away your drudgery and your repetitive tasks. And the reason that AI in Notion is great is because of context. Every time you use ChatGPT or Claude to actually do some work or summarization, you're explaining everything from scratch. Here's the client, here's the brief, here's what we're doing. Notion AI already lives inside your system, so it can summarize a brief that's sitting in your project tracker. It can create a meeting agenda from your CRM. It can, as we spoke about earlier, help you write the SOP for a process that already lives in your workflows. It already knows what you're working on. I will always talk about AI in this way, and I think it's really important. So AI is not supposed to do your thinking or replacing the thing that makes our voice and our brands ours. It is supposed to handle the unsexy stuff, the admin, the repetitive stuff, the processes, the things that are genuinely draining your time and getting in the way of actual work. And Notion AI, properly used, is exactly that. So if you are currently paying separately for AI tools, check your Notion plan, because depending on what you already pay for Notion, you might already have access to this. And to actually utilize it, I think it's about $10 a month, which is cheaper than the pro subscriptions to any of the other AI tools out there. So those are the 6 features that you need to implement today if you have or want to have a business. Your CRM that keeps everything connected in one place, forms that actually take that information directly into those systems the moment someone fills them in, a client-facing portal that your clients will actually appreciate using the button. Genuinely the most approachable way to start taking repetitive work off your plate every day, or your standard operating processes so your business stops living in your head, and then utilizing Notion AI that already understands what you are working on. I have spent 20 years working with founders at every stage, all the way from concept to idea to millions of dollars of revenue. And the businesses that build properly from the start, that get those right systems in early, and then stop paying for these tools that actually just add more complexity, are the ones that grow and survive. And that is what this channel is for. And it's genuinely what I care most about. If you want the system already built, my complete business blueprint is in the description of this video. If you are just someone who wants to be a founder or has an idea, check out all the free resources on my page. There's tons of done-for-you processes and systems that will genuinely help you wherever you are in your business. And if you want to figure out what your business specifically needs first, book a free diagnostic call. 50 minutes, just us chatting, and we will work out what you need to focus on and how you build a better business together.